Hey guys, welcome back. O2 and Shan GVG Guy vs. Gal here, and it is Omar, and we have Kayla now.
Hi.
All right, we are doing a Kayla science experiment. So we are going to be looking into temperature. So we're gonna see the changing effect of temperature. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. All right, so let's do it. So, of course, as we begin, the things that you're gonna need, the supplies, you're gonna need ice and water. We don't have that out yet, but we'll get that shortly. A plastic bottle. It said it's better for you to have a quarter or a liter, but any size will do, so we just have a regular drinking size bottle. And a balloon, handy dandy balloon. A bowl, so any size bowl would do. And then some eye protection. So Kayla, do you have the eye protection? Just in case you need it. There's Kay with the eye protection. All right. So first up, what do we have to do? We have to fill the bowl about 3/4 full of water and ice. There should be enough ice so that there still will be ice left in 5 minutes. So that bowl should be pretty full of ice. Yeah. So she's gonna get the ice over there.
Did you say that's enough?
That should be good. All right, and then just fill that on up with water. That's about good. All right, so we're gonna set that to the side for now. We'll put it over here.
Okay.
Close to us. All right, temperature here. All right, so there's our water and ice. Next up, we are going to take the lid off the bottle. Okay, so here's your bottle. Take your lid off of that bottle. And hold the bottle in the ice water for about 5 minutes. Okay, so flip it over. No. Yep, and hold it there for 5 minutes so that the bottle gets cold. Try to keep as much of the bottle as possible in contact with the water. Okay, so just kind of lay it down. No, just like that. Lay it down just like that. So we're gonna lay our bottle down just like this. Hold this bottle down. Okay. All right, so as much as the bottle needs to be in contact with the water as possible. You probably can accomplish this best by tilting the bottle so that it lies in the bowl. That's what we just did. You do not want to allow any water to get into the bottle, despite the fact that there's no lid on it. So that's cool. We can just keep it like that. No water will get inside it or stay inside of it. All right, so after 5 minutes, we're gonna stand the bottle up in the bowl so that at least part of it is still in contact with the ice water. Then we're gonna place the balloon on the opening of the bottle so that the neck of the balloon forms an airtight seal around the top of the bottle. The seal between the bottle and the balloon must be airtight or this experiment will not work, okay? So 5 minutes. Got about 4 minutes left. Let's see. I guess I should look at my phone here to see what time it is. Okay, so in 4 minutes, we'll be ready to go. So what do you think is gonna happen?
I don't know.
So I think the bottle with the balloon on it from the ice water, I don't think it's gonna do anything because it's cold. It may shrivel up, but I don't think it's gonna do anything.
Shrivel up?
It may shrivel up a little bit. Slide that around. Turn it. Don't do that, you're gonna make it warm. Just hold it, yep. All right, trying to make it cold. I think it'll shrivel up, I don't know though. So if I just keep reading further, so after we do that and put the balloon on it, we're gonna set it aside, then we're gonna empty the bowl, and then we're gonna put hot water in it. And still reading, we're gonna do the same thing and draw a before and after picture. All right, so that's the goal. This experiment is gonna test a cold bottle that's been in ice water for 5 minutes, and then a hot bottle, and we're gonna see what happens with the balloon. It all makes sense now. We're gonna see what temperature has an effect on the balloon maybe expanding or contracting. All right.
It's been 5 minutes?
No, it's been 2 minutes.
Seriously?
Yes. Oh my. Like, science takes time. Don't you want to be Albert Einstein? Yes? Or you want to be Mega Man? Mega Man. You like Mega Man? It's cool game. We should go buy it. Alright, probably turn it a little bit. I would keep maybe just a couple fingers on it, maybe about that many, so you don't have too much heat in your body. On the bottom. Okay. We have roughly 2 more minutes remaining. Michaela's becoming increasingly impatient.
We should have got a really big, like,
big bowl.
Big bowl, and then just put it in, put a lid on it, and bam.
You think so? That'd have been it?
It's super cold.
This should be cold enough, and then we'll once we flip it over, we can put the bottom in the ice as we put the balloon over the top. All right, 1.5 more minutes. You can sing a song. Would you like to sing us a song?
Would you like to sing us a song?
I don't know any songs. I was hoping that you would sing a song.
Song.
Really? Song. That was a wonderful song. We want to thank you for that.
Welcome.
1 more minute. This is the best experiment. Because I'm scared to keep taking the bottle out of the way. Alright. 30 seconds. We're getting there. We're getting there. The excitement is getting there. Alright. Well, you didn't need your goggles.
No.
Unless a piece of ice flies out of here and punctures your eyeball and breaks your glasses. It's possible, I guess.
I think they just say eye protection so you can be like a scientist.
Alright, it's been 5 minutes on my timer, so we're going to make sure there's no water in there. Alright, so you want to hold this, or you want to get the balloon? Alright, so hold that in there. Hold that there. I need you to hold the camera with this other hand. You do it. Boom. Right there. And I'm going to put this on here like so.
Ah,
Did you do that?
no.
Oh, so you didn't crush the bottle just now?
Oh, no.
Did you crush it, or did the cold? I think the cold just made it crush. Oh yeah, because you know, cold weather makes things contract, right? Not expand. I think heat expands, and cold weather makes it contract. Like this.
We've spilled all the ice.
Which is why ice is formed, right? Because you have water, it contracts and turns hard. And then, that's fine.
Sure?
And heat makes it expand. That's why it turns back into water. All right, so very cool. So we have the bottle. You see here, it just completely crushed. So hold that there. We're gonna take this off. But don't pull it because we're gonna need it again. There we go, be careful. All right, so. Very cool. So Michaela is going to now pour out the ice in the water. And then we're gonna run, of course, the faucet here and get some hot water going. And then we're gonna do the same thing. It's okay. All right. Just water. A little mess. All right, so I would imagine, again, that now when we put this on, the bottle's gonna get pretty big. Blow up pretty good. Fun, learning about this temperature. Is that your hypothesis, young lady?
Sure.
Sure.
The water is freezing.
Alright, give it a second. It'll get hot.
Are you sure you don't want to use that one? It's just super hot.
There
Here we go.
There you go. So hot enough? Almost.
Almost.
Let's see. Yeah, that's good. So I would run the bowl in there a couple times just to get the bowl hot. Oh, not the bottom, just the top. There you go. Now fill it on up. Gonna have to be too full. There. Alright. You just put it on top of the.
Are we gonna put it on the same water bottle?
Yep.
Okay.
So now we'll do this for a couple minutes now. So same thing as before. We'll let this bottle sit.
Isn't the water gonna turn cold?
So we're gonna let this sit. Then we're gonna put the balloon back on. And we're gonna see what happens. So like we said, it contracted last time. We'll see if it expands. Do you actually think this time like the balloon will inflate? Or do you think the bottle would just stay like nice and round? What do you think?
I think maybe
What's your hypothesis?
Maybe the balloon will inflate.
Think it'll inflate?
Yeah, that'd be pretty cool.
That would be cool. We'll do that because we don't want to crush it. And we don't want water to get into it. I don't know if it'll get hot enough for the balloon to inflate.
I mean, there's steam inside the bottle.
Yeah, I think it's because there was cold water in there. But hey, who knows? Who knows? I guess anything's possible. Get it nice and hot and find out. Now you can sing us another song. Sing a song, sing out loud. I don't know the words. I think that's a song.
Maybe.
Do you like experiments?
Yeah.
What has been your favorite experiment so far?
Probably. Can it be one that I didn't do?
No, because it wasn't an experiment.
Well, somebody else did the experiment, you know?
Well, that's not good if you didn't do it.
Well, the favorite experiment that I've seen.
Sure.
You had to make ice cream once for an experiment.
Okay, so how was making ice cream an experiment?
I don't know, but it was apparently. You can understand.
Hey, listen, I believe you.
It's more like cooking. What do you call that?
Home economics, cooking classes.
Oh no, the bottle's getting crushed.
Oh no, it's just that's a crease in the bottle. Alright, so we got about 1.5 more minutes.
It's like a hot tub for my fingers.
But don't get it cold.
Ow. Banning hot tub.
Yep. Don't want to stick your fingers in hot water. Alright.
Put it up right now?
Not yet. Got about 1 more minute. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, keep the bottle on. There you go. Balloony, 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 balloony. What are you dancing to?
I don't know.
You don't know. Say it ain't so, Michaela. Say it ain't so.
It's been a minute.
About 30 more seconds. Alright, we're gonna empty that out. Remember what we did last time? Alright. I'm gonna hold that kind of with one hand. And I'm gonna put the balloon on. Alright guys, here we go. Let's see what happens. Alright. Keep holding it. Let's see what happens with this balloon.
It like inflated here, but it didn't make it to the rest of the balloon.
It's just chilling for right now. Let's just hold it for about a minute or two and see what happens. So what you can see is, unlike before, the bottle, is filled with air. It's not contracting, it's not crushing like it did last time. So that's one conclusion that we can draw from this. And I would imagine eventually, probably if we left it here for a good 5 to 10 minutes, that air that's trapped inside and that heat would continue to, it would do this. So I guess if you look at it would begin to make the balloon inflate because you have the air in there from the heat beginning to expand. So very cool, interesting. Just checking out how temperature works. And of course, what did you learn, Michaela?
That
what is cold?
Cold air crushes things. Hot things. Inflate things.
Contract, and then the heat makes it inflate. It's very cool. Okay, what do you think about that experiment?
You have to be very patient to do it.
You have to be very patient. You heard that, girls and boys. Be very patient. So maybe we'll leave this in here and play with it. O2 and Shan GVG, another experiment over and done. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Sayonara.